Hey, I'm Andy. Today I want to show you how to make a perfect turmeric latte. So let's begin. Grab your milk jug and your milk and pour in around 7 ounces or 200 millilitres of milk. A great tip for getting the right amount of milk is to grab the 8-ounce cup you're going to use and add milk until it's around 80 to 90% full, then pour into your milk jug. Next, grab your Boosted Blends Turmeric Latte blend and drop in 4 teaspoon measures, which is about the same as 2 standard heaped teaspoons. Next, steam into latte consistency, taking it slightly hotter. Give it a tap to get rid of any bubbles. Grab your 8-ounce cup and pour. And there you have the perfect turmeric latte.